welcome to my channel. I'm Gary Waliawan and today is another everyday photography vlog. The vlog where I try to find interesting photographs in everyday mundane life situation. So it's actually raining right now, but fortunately I've been able to capture some pictures and recorded some vlog footage for you. So hopefully you will enjoy that. So if you want to check out the other vlogs, please go to this link above. I have the other vlogs as well. Anyway, today I'm in Kalyana Resort again, so you might have noticed that I've uploaded from this location a few days ago. So I came back here. We have some events right here right now, and I thought I want to squeeze a little bit of photography time. Training, so I cannot do really much photography today, so it's going to be a short vlog. But anyway, in terms of gear, I'm using my Panasonic Lumix GX850 together with the 20mm f1.7 as my main camera and lens for today's video. I'm just focusing on one camera and one lens, and with the GX850 I'm actually trying my best to kind of break off from the addiction to IBIS, to in-body stabilizer, because the GX85 has IBIS. GX850 doesn't have IBIS, so I have to be more intentional with and be careful as well with how I shoot the pictures. Anyway, the vlog is recorded using the DJI Osmo Pocket. Now let's try to take some pictures. Alright, so for our first photo of the day, it's actually very dark right now. I think it's going to rain really soon, so I have to be really quick. So I just want to try to photograph this a chair and table setup right here with the greenery as sort of a background, with a little bit of the leaves from the tree to make it into sort of a frame within the frame. The idea is to have this foreground created by the plant right here, and also that plant right there and the tree right there, to help to cover and frame the chair and table setup, to give you that mood, that vibe of being in a relaxing place, something like that. So the gear right now is the Panasonic Lumix GX850 together with the Panasonic Lumix 20mm f1.7. No IBIS. I'm still trying to break off from my addiction to IBIS. So let's try to take the picture. The autofocus is a little bit slow. So this is aperture priority f2.0 auto ISO, and I'm getting quite high ISO of 640. I don't really care if the ISO is high. I'm not really too bothered with that kind of low light noise whatsoever. But you can see what I'm doing on the camera. Just a simple composition, something like this. Right, really nice. I want to go step a little bit to the right and reveal more of the chair and the table. Going to try to do a little bit of low angle to get more of the foreground. You can see the camera. Have to make sure that you can see what's happening on the GX850 by adjusting my Osmo Pocket 3. Something like this. Yeah, I kind of like the composition. I kind of like the mood, the vibe. I prefer to be a little bit on the left, like right now. I think the foreground looks nicer that way. f2.0, nice. Alright, so next composition will be those lounge chair on the near the swimming pool, not on the swimming pool, with the umbrella. I want to try to get a mood, a vibe of just a relaxing kind of lazy day kind of vibe. I'm still at f2.0 of the 20mm on the GX850, but now I'm adjusting the exposure compensation to about -1 because it was too bright earlier. I got ISO about 1000, quite high, but I don't really care. I want to try to adjust. Again, this has been done on my other vlogs, but by raising and lowering your camera, you can control the amount of foreground that is on your picture. Right now, I want the foreground to be a little bit balanced. That foreground is this tree log right here, kind of sitting area with a little bit of the plants. Hopefully it will work. Something like this, I hope you can see. Alright, something like this. One more time. Very simple composition. Let's try horizontal. Hopefully, yeah, with horizontal composition I can get more of the foreground. I think it looks kind of nice too. With the f2.0 aperture, I can kind of get, blurry foreground, that kind of stuff. I think it's always looks nice. And the villas as a background really makes it nice. Right, something like this. Wow, you cannot see the GX850. I'm sorry about that. Let's try that again. I want more of the plants on the foreground, so maybe lowering the camera would do the trick. Something like this. Alright. Yep, that's the composition that I'd like. Let's try vertical one more time. f2.0. Right, I saw some flowers right here. Very small. I hope you can see it on the Osmo Pocket, but I'm going to try to do a little bit of a macro shot. So it's been a while since I used the 20mm, and the 20mm is actually really good for this kind of stuff. Close focus kind of wow, the flower actually fell off. What happened? So yeah, I'm going to just photograph the other flower, this guy right here. I'm going to raise the camera a little bit so you can see what's happening on the GX850. Kind of like that the 20mm is actually more than good enough to blur the background. It's actually really cold right now. I think it's going to rain really soon, so I have to be quick. Yeah, very simple composition. I'm adding a little bit from the foreground, which is the leaf right here, and the background is sort of the other leaf. So yeah, I'm just trying to nail this kind of nice flowery shot, just focusing on that particular flower. Looks good. One more time. It's too close, yeah. And the autofocus of the 20mm is actually a little bit slow, so I have to be quick. And yep, I'm quite happy with the image. And that wraps up today's video. So that is all for today's video. I hope that you have been enjoying this video. I hope you like the pictures as well. I hope this is informative and inspiring to you. Makes you want to go out and take some pictures. So please let me know in the comments down below which one is your favorite picture. Also, don't forget to support my channel by liking this video, sharing this video, subscribing to my channel down below. And if you want to support my channel even further, please use the affiliate links in the description below or use the super thanks button. Thank you and see you on the next video. Goodbye.